We're going to do a breathing exercise together and pretend we're drinking some yummy hot chocolate. So take your hands and pretend you're holding a cup here. You can fill your cup with hot chocolate or any other hot drink that you might like. Take a big breath in and really gently open your mouth and blow. Let's try that again. Now, when you breathe out, you don't want to splash the hot chocolate. So this is a really full cup. So let's find a really gentle breath. Take a big breath in and then blow gently. Do that again. Big breath in. How slow can you blow? Do it 2 more times. Big breath in and blow. All right, last one. Now close your eyes. Pretend you're taking a drink of your yummy hot chocolate. Imagine what it would taste like. Imagine the feeling of the hot chocolate in your mouth. And then when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Maybe you get your own cup of hot chocolate or hot drink after this.